I'm going to show you how to make a wooden mallet, simple wooden mallet going from a log to this, just using a splitting wedge, hammer, carving hatchet, and a carving knife. Alright, since this is just a mild steel with a froe, you don't want a metal on metal hitting it, so you don't want to hit it with a hammer. You want to hit it with either a wooden mallet or just a wooden club, and we're going to make a club out of a chunk of wood like that. Let's see what we can make there. Alright, for our froe mallet that we're going to make, I'm going to take this chunk of wood here, split off some of the sapwood off the outside and get to the middle, carve down on it a bit. This would be easier if we had a froe, but instead we're using a split wedge. With a simple wood mallet, it'll be like a regular hammer. Instead of being metal on the end, it's just going to be wood. It's like a wood club. And we use that with the finished froe to actually hit that down into the wood. So we need to make this end a bit more comfortable to hold. Once again, we'll use the carving hatchet. Smoothed up, it'll work nicely. Okay, got our mallet roughly shaped, getting our handle close. Gonna use a carving knife, whittle down on this, get down to our final shape we want. At first we're just gonna be taking big chunks out. And once we get down closer to the size we need, we'll be carving smaller bits at a time. Zoom out. All right, we've got our handle about the right size for a good grip, right where we want it. We don't have to worry about this being rough because it's going to be used to hammer anyway. It'll smooth itself out and splinter later, but the handle part is what we want comfortable. And now we're going to Just a little final details, get that squared up bit there at the end. Just going to carve on that, make it rounded off, smooth. Now, you could use sandpaper on this if you wanted to, but this is pretty comfortable the way it is.